friend, how are you today? I'm Dr. Monish. Today I'm showing you how we can improve our back flexibility and the strength of the muscle or the spine with the wheel hack. Because sometimes we try alone, we have some limitation. But sometimes I recommend you should use the wheel. It's really helpful to work on your spine, even open the shoulder flexibility. Sometimes many people are good in the lower back here, but they can't work on the upper back. It's very hard. So I recommend for them also the wheel first practice. It's very good. So let's begin. Watch me, and you should also do the same practice. Alright. First, feel the feeling of the wheel to the center of the spine. So wheel in the center. It should be center, it cannot be here and there. If the wheel is not in the center position, you might be hurt. And your practice become problem. I mean here, because the wheel is the side here, not in the center, and you're doing the muscles are pressing the half side. Maybe you hurt the neck or the spine. So dear, small mistake in yoga, we get injuries and issues. So carefully first, take time, get the wheel familiar with your spine, and you can see like that. I'm checking. I'm in the center. Yeah, I'm in the center. So when you feel the center, yes. Go in the flow. Don't touch like right now. Just like relax. More you relax, the spine have more work out on flexibility and stretching the muscles. But when you contract, things can't work out. Alright, let's go. And here, open the chest more wider, expand. Little bit hit, the chest become more expanded. Yeah, you can do little bit one to time. Get more understanding. And then here we go. You can keep arms like that or like that. Till according to your comfortability, you like here, you like here. And just move like that. Walk your legs and spine. You can see I'm covering the all spine. I'm covering the full spine, the lower, and you can see I'm going to until the neck, upper. Yeah, maybe one time is not easy, so you try 2 times. If you have the neck issue, keep neck like that. If you can drop, you can. After feel familiar, we move the next level. The next level comes the lower back. Arms behind. Grab it. Feel the strength of the forearm, rib cage. Then fold the knees. Keep the wheel stronger. Elbows in the ground. Get lifted. Keep the curve of the C shape for upper spine. Use the forearm and neck is neutral. Don't pressure the neck here, keep it uplift. If you're good in this level, then move the next level. You can try the kick or try the half lotus. Sometimes you feel tired, you can breathe. You can open it, release the arms slowly, and walk forward. During this practice, you try, don't close your eyes. It makes you feel dizziness. Alright, take the wheel forward. And hold the hip bar, breathe in, inhale, exhale. Give time to your spine, because just now you stretched so much your spine, around I think 2 minutes. So the muscle need time to get forward and release the tension. So you also go with the flow, slowly, slowly, no rushing. If you try rushing like that, fast, you might hurt again back. So yoga, we need patience, we need breathe, we need understanding. If you have more time, you can go 1 to 2 minutes. Keep arms here, or you can. Please depend your flexibility, depend your comfortability. After a while, 1 to 2 minutes, you feel very good, and you feel your spine is staying come back to the normal position. So hope you liked my video, this workout, and try again and send me a tutorial. If you want to know, I'll check for you. Or if you have any more question, take it the back with the wheel. I'm happy to help you. Thank you so much.